I am going to make a veg sandwich. For making veg sandwich, we have take 4 slices of bread, 1 small chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, 1 small chopped tomato, half grated carrot and some mayonnaise. First of all, we will put all the vegetables in the bowl. Now we will put 2 spoon mayonnaise in it. And now we will mix it. We have mixed all the vegetable and mayonnaise. Now we will take a slice of bread and we will put the mixture on it. Now we will take another slice of bread and we will put the slice of bread on the first bread. Now we will also do with these 2 bread slices. Sandwich is ready. Now we will bake it. Now we will bake this sandwich. First of all, we will on the gas. Now we will put the ghee or butter on the tawa. Now we will take the sandwich and put on the tawa. Sandwich is ready. Now we will cut the sandwich. Now we will take out the sandwich. Put again the butter on the tawa. Now we will put the other sandwich. Now we will, our sandwiches are ready to eat. It's good in taste and so yummy. Thank you.